yo. You talking about my dad? There we go. ATL, what's cracking? Say soul power. Cut the music. I don't never like cut the music. Cut the music. Say soul power. Soul power. Say soul power. Soul power. Say hip hop. Hip hop. Yeah. From the building, Zulu Nation in the building, cultures, clandestine. We here ready to rock. You know what I mean? This is Holiday Beef. We do Holiday Beef every year, multiple times a year. We choose which holidays we do and don't want to celebrate when it comes to the jam. You know, if you're in the mood, we do it. If you're not, we don't. But this one is always important because it's not about Christmas, it's not about Kwanzaa, it's not about this, that, or the third. It's about the children. So with this Holiday Beef, the mission is to raise as many toys as we can every year, so we can go ahead and make sure that these kids have smiles on their face around that time of year, regardless if they have all the money in the world, regardless if they don't have all the money in the world, they should all be able to get toys. Also, we like for the youth to learn how to give. So at this jam, we love that the young ladies came out, helped us organize, that all of you, just a few years ago, some of y'all was getting these toys, and now understand how to bring toys that kids actually like and enjoy. You know what I mean? So I appreciate big ups to everybody for bringing through toys. That's where it's at. Okay, now this doesn't stop here. We got Fearless Widows, which is one of the freshest shops in Little Five Points for fashion and urban gear and stuff like that. Fearless Widows is a drop-off zone where you can actually go for the next week and drop off toys at Fearless Widows in Little Five Points. So anybody that couldn't come that still wants to contribute, you can go ahead and bring the toys to Fearless Widows, look them up on Facebook, go to 5, ask about them, get involved, drop toys off there, and then on the 21st, hey, we're going to make it happen. You know, I'm collaborating with a real great organization, Good Brother, and we're going to do something at the Dunbar Center, which is in Southwest Atlanta. I'm not going to talk too much about it because that's not the platform for this, but you'll all keep posted on Facebook. I'll send you there. On that day, we're going to jam out real hard for 2 hours. It's free for everybody. We're just going to dance, bring toys, and give them back Nina Brown without the crack. You know what I mean? Yeah. That's how we get down. So we're going to get all the youth, have anywhere between 100 and 150 kids coming through looking and hoping to get a smile on their face by receiving a gift from someone who cares. So we appreciate you for coming out. I appreciate you for coming out. Big ups to my troop, all the people that are helping out, the DJs that are donating their time, you know, the venue that's actually supplying us with opportunity, and the parents that brought out the kids, okay? A couple of quick plugs. CDs over here, because we're in their store. CDs over here, 4 for 10. CDs at the front desk, 3 for 10. Books, you gotta ask about those. I'm not sure how much they cost. Over in the front, over there to the left, I have alkaline water. If you don't know what alkaline water is, alkaline water, Mr. Cool, hold it up, is water at its purest state. When you get your average bottled water, you're getting it out of a very low balance. On the pH balance system, it's on a very low count. It's very bad for your body. It has chemicals that don't need to be in your body. Alkaline water in 1931 was responsible for healing cancer, healing diabetes, healing all types of different things. So I'll start posting stuff, but it's the freshest water. Is the only thing that actually energizes you is water. You know what I mean? All this other stuff that they're doing and calling it an energy drink, and then you're crashing, is doing the opposite of what you want to do. So we have $2 alkaline water, $3 for the tea, fresh made tea. What else am I missing? Other than that, it doesn't really matter because I got Plan B in the building. Plan B in the building. Say Zulu. Say phone Lord. Say Zulu. Say Plan. Yes, sir. Yeah. What's going on, y'all? We're out today. Big shout out to my man Quick. Let him shout out Quick, man. Everybody from here, you know what I'm saying? I go by the name of DT. This fella right here goes by the name of Yahweh Somali. And together we make up a crew called Clandestine. How do you know how to make a call people for Clandestine? Hey, we're gonna come in here. That's what I'm talking about, man. So we can't get around for y'all for a minute, man. Y'all feel free to keep dancing, keep vibing. We're gonna ride these nights. You ready? You want me to come up? Oh, we just said, let's get it going.
Alright, when I say, y'all understand about the artist putting 16 bars on this microphone? Right. So when I say 16, I want y'all to say bars like 16, 16, 16, 16. Try to get right. 16, 16, 16, 16. Yeah, right. Right. Come on, 16, 16, 16, 16. Yeah. Set it off. 16 bars, set it off. Come on, 8 big plays on the right, 16. That's my word on the mic. I'm King. Set it off. 16 bars, set it off. Hey. I'm crushing the X. Why not double the space? What up? Two shots for the day. Don't rock to me, son. You look like you're getting low. 5 stars in the 16 in the head. 7 seconds in the 8 ways to understand. I'm rocking the stats. They see the head from. I'm crying like a legend. I got a quarter. 13 o'clock and 14 of your shots. 18% was like 16 times. You know it's 16 up. I got over my shoulder. I was doing just a 15 of a crime. They love that 14 ways to 13 smaller. These in the game. It's 11 up for all it. Then I'm just speaking. Nah, that's stupid. Always drop something into the field. Just 6 songs at the tip of the field. One of these questions that is up there my knees. Yeah, set it on. 16 bars, set it on. Come on, 18 clicks when I'm like 16. That's my word and I'm like earthquake. Set it on. 16 bars, set it on. Come on, 16 bars. 16 bars. Got more bars in your IBC, more than Ivory, your Ivory. Take your mom like a young and read. Four level, that's when they go level. It's so special, we get the timing. Top on tools in the big horizon. Bad bars, I ain't even whip horizon. Bad bars, I ain't even whip horizon. You shoot the man, I will never end this timing. I ain't even studying the enterprise. Think of a plan if you rap horizon. Think it down, you will act up to find it. Yeah, that's your testify. More bars in the blue when they get the nine. Just flex you. Right, we can let somebody just test you. Qualified talking high. Play it easy. Set it off. 16 bars, set it off. 8 big drinks when I'm right to the sea. That's my word on the mic. I'm King. Set it off. 16 bars, set it off. 16. No Oh man, sorry.